We often get asked by our viewers whether a Tenergy battery pack is compatible with a specific airsoft gun or not. In this video, we'll cover how to find a compatible replacement battery pack for your AEG. Stick around if you're looking to replace or upgrade the power in your airsoft. First, we need to find out which battery dimensions is compatible with your AEG, since we don't want to buy one that doesn't fit, right? There are two simple ways you can do that. You can either measure your AEG battery compartment or your old battery pack and use it as a guide. As long as your new battery is the same size or smaller than the dimensions you already have, you're good to go. The three most common styles for airsoft battery packs are sticks, nunchuck, and brick. For example, if your previous battery is a nunchuck type, such as this, which has a dimension of 117mm in length, then this stick battery may not fit in your AEG since it's too long. Your battery option would be either the same style and size as your previous one, or one that is smaller, like this nunchuck style or this stick style. While on this topic, I want to quickly point out some connector options that are commonly used for AEGs, as many viewers make this mistake and we really want you to avoid it. The first most popular one is the small Tamiya, since most airsoft guns on the market use this type of connector. The second one is the standard Tamiya, which is larger than the mini Tamiya. This was used back in the day, but it's not as common anymore. They look really similar, so it's a good idea to check the specifications to confirm that you've chosen the correct battery pack with the same size connector. The third type of connector is the DIN connector. It's known for having the best connection out of the three, because it has less power loss and doesn't easily get separated compared to the Tamiya. However, it's only popular to those who have more experience with AEGs and can upgrade it themselves. You'll need to check what type of connector your airsoft gun has and buy the battery with the same type accordingly for it to work. Let's move on to battery voltage. Battery voltage refers to the power output of your battery pack. The higher the voltage means the faster your AEG motor spins. Most nickel metal hydride airsoft batteries are either 8.4 volts or 9.6 volts. LiPo batteries generally have 7.4 volts or 11.1 volts, so you have four options to choose from. One thing to keep in mind is that even though higher voltage gives faster rate of fire for your airsoft, it can produce a lot of stress on your gun. If your gun can't handle it, it might cause overheating and damage to the internal mechanism. So before planning on buying a higher voltage battery, check with your AEG manufacturer to see if it's designed for it. The next thing you want to consider is the milliamp hour, which you can find right on the battery label. Milliamp hour indicates the capacity or the runtime of the battery pack. The higher the mAh, the more shots the gun can fire within one single charge. Next is the battery chemistry. The good news is that airsoft guns can accept any type of battery, so you don't have to worry too much about buying the wrong type. However, each type has its own pros and cons. Let's find out what they are so you can decide which one is better for you. I'll discuss the two most popular battery types, which are nickel metal hydrides and LiPos. Nickel metal hydride batteries are well known for their user-friendliness. It can be used in almost all airsoft guns and is great for beginner users. You can just charge it up, use it until it's low in power, and then recharge it again without worry about its maintenance. However, a drawback is nickel metal hydride cells are larger and heavier than their LiPo counterparts. For example, these two batteries have the same capacity, which is around 13 watt-hours. But this nickel metal hydride battery has about double the size and weight compared to this LiPo battery. Also, they don't have the option for higher voltage than 9.6 volts. So if you want to upgrade your guns more than that, you may need to consider a LiPo battery instead. LiPo batteries are favored by experienced users who have high-end and mid-level guns due to the battery's high discharge C rating. The gun has a better trigger response and a faster rate of fire. It also has more consistent performance than the nickel metal hydride battery. The rate of fire maintains the same up until the battery is low in power. However, LiPo batteries are not as user-friendly because of its high maintenance and requires a balanced charger, which is sold separately. You will need to watch out for the battery level and never let it overdrain or overcharge, otherwise you may damage it or even cause a fire. You may need to add a low V alarm or a MOSFET with a low V cutoff to your gun to prevent overdrain of the battery. Also, because LiPo battery sends more power to your gun, you need to make sure your gun is built to handle the extra rate of fire without wear on itself. Please consult with your airsoft gun manual or its manufacturer before switching from nickel metal hydride to a LiPo battery pack to avoid damaging your gun. In either case, if you decide to upgrade to a LiPo battery pack and notice the gun gets really hot while playing, that means the battery is overpowering the gun, and you need to stop using it and change to a lower voltage or nickel metal hydride battery pack instead. That's all for today's video. We hope that this video can help you find the right battery pack for your airsoft gun. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you! We'll see you next time.